how to edit, download Ecwid's notifications on Ecwid. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it. Now open your browser and go to Ecwid, and once you're here, click settings and then click this one here, notifications, and here you will find download Ecwid. Now just turn it off or on, and here you can edit it, change anything you want here, and then that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved. And now I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.